Hello and welcome to V.Z Pro 3. Are you looking to live a healthier lifestyle and want to keep track of your daily steps? Good news, if you own a Vivo smartphone, especially recent models like the Vivo Y series or V series, you can easily add a step tracker to your device without needing third-party apps. A built-in step counter not only helps monitor your fitness progress, but also motivates you to stay active throughout the day. Let's walk through the complete process of how to add and view a step tracker on a Vivo phone, right from your home screen. Most Vivo phones come with built-in features for health tracking under iManager, App Store, or via a health widget. Here's how to activate or find them. Unlock your Vivo phone and go to the home screen. Tap and hold on an empty area of the screen to enter widget editing mode. Tap widgets from the menu that appears. Scroll down and look for a widget called Jovi HomeKit. Once found, tap and drag the step tracker widget to your home screen. This will show your daily steps count directly on your home screen. You can move the widget position on the home screen. To use it, just tap on the widget. If it's the first time using it, you have to follow the instructions to start using. If so, then you can use the step tracker application from Vivo. For example, after activating this feature, I have walked 50 steps. Besides that, you can also see some other information about health in this feature. You can set a goal of how many steps per day you want to achieve. How to tap the settings icon on the screen, and you can see the option that says My Goal. Tap on that. Several settings will appear, starting from the daily walking goal, weekly running goal, and weekly running days. Tap on the daily walking goal menu, and set your daily step goal. Recommendations from the application suggest choosing 6,500 steps per day, but if you want to reduce or increase, it is fine. Then you can also set a running distance goal per week. Recommended 7 kilometers, but of course you can increase or decrease according to your ability level. So, I think that's enough for this tutorial. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment sections below. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial video. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.